This is group X-Men. As you can see, here are the members. We will go directly to the Cisco packet tracer file. So as you can see here, we have several tools and devices. First one is the server, and the next one is the switch, and it's used to connect two different wireless routers. And we have two wireless routers that used to access to connect to access points, and while we have two access points as well. And then we have the client devices. The client devices, we have here one PC, one tablet, one laptop, one smartphone, and here as well. This one, it will be the wireless router WPA2, and here it will be the wireless router WEP. So starting with the configuration or configure the server's IP address. So first of all, okay, wait. It takes a long time. Okay. First of all, we will go to the desktop, and then we will choose the IP configuration. Then we will write down the IP address, which is this one. And then after that, we will go directly to the server. This is the first thing for the IP address for the server, yeah. And then we will go from the desktop to config to services, yes, sorry. And then after that we will choose AAA. Then we will set up the network configuration for web and WPA2. So for web, we write the client name as Xmen1. This is for WPA2. For the WEP, which is web, the client name is Xmen2, and here are the client IP as well. So for the username, we have ICE, and the password is cream. Simple as that. So after that, we go to the switch to configure that switch. Okay, switch, everything here is okay. So we will go first to the WPA wireless router, which is this one, to set up the wireless router. Okay, after clicking the wireless router, we will select the GUA. It's already selected as default. And then on the wireless tab, edit the network name. Okay, wireless tab here. And then we will edit the network name, which is Xmen1, as we showed before in the server. Okay. After that, we will go to the wireless security, and then choose the security mode as WPA personal, and passphrase, well, we will write it as this number as it's shown here. And then after that, which is after set up the wireless, we will go after that to the access point, and we will go to the config tab. After that, under the interface, we have port 1. So we will change the SSID. It's as default, it's not MR7. So yeah, we just write it MR7 here, and then we will select the WPA2, and then we will write the passphrase here, which is the number I just showed. Okay, after set up the access point, we will go to the step 1, which is the configuration the PC, which is called PC Rajai. Then okay, number 1, we have to go to the physical, and then well, we will be using WMP 300N as model. So first of all, we will turn off the PC, and then we will take out, it's like, yeah, we will take out this one after switching off the PC, and then we will change it with WMP 300N. After that, we will switch on the PC again, and then we will go to config, and then wireless, and then we will change the SSID to MR7 as I said, and then we will select this one, WPA2, and we will write the passphrase as well. So after doing all of that, we will go to desktop, and then click PC wireless, and click connect, and then we'll choose MR7, and connect. We will insert the passphrase or the pre-shared key, which is the one, yeah, the passphrase, the one I just showed, and then we will do connect. Then after that, we will see the PC is already connected to the access point, which is as it's showing here. Okay, for wait. Okay, for the smartphone, which is Muhammad, here as you can see, we will go first. We will go to the config as well, and then wireless. We will select the WPA2 PS key, and then we will write the same passphrase and changing this name to MR7. So that's all from me, and we will go from end user 3 with Rajai.
Okay, for end user 3, Tabit Abdullah, go to the config tab, and under the interface, click wireless 0. Added MR7 and SSID. Reference to the access point. Make sure to set authentication to WPA2 BSK and insert the BSK passphrase as 7888788878, like this number. And then Tabit Abdullah is successfully connected to access point 1. For end user 4, laptop Mujib, in this setup, we will be using the WMP 300N model. To change to model, click physical tab, under physical devices view, switch off the power button, remove any existing models until the slot is empty, like in this figures. Then click and drag WMP 300N model to the model slot in the physical device view. Switch back on power button. So after that, go to the config tab, and under the interface, click wireless 0, add MR7 as SSID, reference to access point. Make sure to set authentication to WPA2 BSK and insert the BSK passphrase as the BSK passphrase 7888788878. To connect to wireless network, go to desktop tab, and click PC wireless and click Connect tab before refreshing. Select the SSID that was entered, which is MR7, and connect, insert pre-shared key, passphrase, and press Connect. Laptop Mujib is successfully connected to access point 1, like the figures.
Hello, we are going to explain the web authentication configuration. So let's move to the first step. The first step, user access point device or wireless router can be used as access point to particular network. Firstly, add wireless router to connect to switch and add access point to the router. The second step, you can add the end device to connect the access via WLAN by choosing PC, laptop, tablet, and smartphone, and you can rename rename the devices to different users as you see in the picture. So the third step, to set up wireless router, click wireless router WEP EP and select GUI. Tab on the wireless tab, edit the network name SSID as you see here in the picture, to XMIN2, which is our group name. Then select standard channel 2.419 gigahertz and enable the SSID broadcast before saving the settings. So let's move to the fourth step. Under the same tab we used previously, click wireless security and choose WEP as security mode and keep it 40 on 64 bits, 10 hex digits. Option for encryption, set the number 73538248888 as key 1 before saving the settings. And step 5, let's move to set up access point. Click access point 3 and go config tab. Under interface settings, select port 1. Here is port 1 as you see it. Change the SSID name to MRME. Under authentication, then after you change the SSID name to MRME as you see here in the picture, there is under authentication you select the WEP and set WEP key to our key 73538243888. So let's move to the next end user 1. Let's create end user 1 BC Abdullah. So to make connection to wireless networks, model need to be changed to suitable one in this setup. In this step, we will be using WM300N model. To change to model, click physical tab under physical device view, under physical device view. So then switch off the power button. Then you have to remove any existing models until the slot is empty. So then click and drag WMP300N model to the model slot in physical device view as you see in the picture. Then switch back on the power button. Then go to config tab under the interface, then click wireless 0. Then you can you add MRME as SSID as we did in the previous steps, refers to access point. Then make sure to set authentication to WEP and insert the WEP key as we did previously, 73538248888. So to connect a wireless network, go to the desktop tab and click PC wireless and click connect tab before refreshing. Then select the SSID that was entered is which is MRME as we did previously, and connect. Then you have to insert the WEP key 1 and press connect. So then the BC Abdullah will be successfully connected to access point 2. So for the end user 2, let's call it table Z. So go to the config tab, and under the interface click wireless 0, add MRME as we did previously in BC Abdullah that refers to access point. Make sure the authentication WAP insert key, as we said that in the end user one, is we are following the same steps as you see here in the picture. So then it will be the table Z will be successfully connected access point as the previous BC will do the same steps even for any more
Result and analysis. 4.1 End user PC Rajai, source PC Rajai, destination wireless router WPA2, status successful. Source PC Rajai, destination tablet Abdullah, successful. Source PC Rajai, destination smartphone Muhammad, status successful. Source laptop Mugib, source PC Rajai, destination laptop Mugib, status successful. Destination wireless router WEP PC Abdullah, tablet Mugib, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Rajai, unsuccessful. So this is result for successful connection, and this is for unsuccessful connection. 4.2 tablet Abdullah, source tablet Abdullah, destination wireless router WPA2 PC Rajai, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Mugib, status successful. Source tablet Abdullah, destination wireless router WEP PC Abdullah, tablet Mugib, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Rajai, status unsuccessful. So this is for successful connection, and this is for unsuccessful connection. 4.3 smartphone Muhammad, source smartphone Muhammad, destination wireless router WPA2 PC Rajai, tablet Abdullah, laptop Mujib, status successful. Source smartphone Muhammad, destination wireless router PC Abdullah, tablet Mujib, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Rajai, status unsuccessful. So this is for successful connection, and this is for unsuccessful connection. 4.4 laptop Mujib, source laptop Mujib, destination wireless router WPA2 PC Rajai, tablet Abdullah, smartphone Muhammad, status successful. Source laptop Mujib, destination wireless router WEP PC Abdullah, tablet Mujib, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Rajai, status unsuccessful. So this is for successful connection, and this is for unsuccessful connections. 4.5 PC Abdullah, source PC Abdullah, destination wireless router WEP, tablet Mujib, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Rajai, status successful. Source PC Muhammad, destination wireless router PC Rajai, tablet Abdullah, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Mujib, status unsuccessful. So the result for successful connection, and this is for unsuccessful connections. 4.6 tablet Mujib, source tablet Mujib, destination wireless router WEP PC Abdullah, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Rajai, status successful. Source tablet Mujib, destination wireless router WPA2 PC Rajai, tablet Abdullah, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Mujib, status unsuccessful. Successful connection. So this is for successful connection, and this is for unsuccessful connection. 4.7 smartphone Muhammad, source smartphone Muhammad, destination wireless router WEP PC Abdullah, tablet Mujib, laptop Rajai, status successful. Source smartphone Muhammad, destination wireless router WPA2 PC Rajai, tablet Abdullah, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Mujib, status unsuccessful. So this is for successful connections, and this is for unsuccessful connections. 4.8 laptop Rajai, source laptop Rajai, Destination wireless router WEP, PC Abdullah, tablet Mujib, smartphone Muhammad, status successful. Source laptop Rajai, destination wireless router WPA2, PC Rajai, tablet Abdullah, smartphone Muhammad, laptop Mujib, status unsuccessful. So this is for successful connections for 4.8 and these unsuccessful connections. I think that's all for me. Thank you.